Hey everyone, welcome back to the Remotion series. In the last video, we built our first set of animations: lower thirds, step indicators, subscribe CTAs, and overlays. Today we're adding 5 more. These are the everyday graphics content creators actually need: social links, chapter titles, quote cards, notifications, and a day counter with that viral speed ramp effect. We're starting from scratch, so you can follow along step by step. Setting up a new project. If you're following along, open a terminal and run npx create-video at latest -- blank. The -- blank flag gives us a clean canvas with no demo code cluttering things up. The CLI will ask a few quick questions. First, choose a directory name. Call it whatever you like. When it asks about Tailwind CSS, say yes. Remotion has built-in Tailwind support, and it makes styling much faster. Then it asks about agent skills. Say yes to this as well. This installs a set of best practice rules that help AI tools like Claude write correct Remotion code. Things like always using use current frame and never relying on CSS animations. It prevents a lot of mistakes before they happen. Once everything installs, go into the project folder and run npm run dev. Remotion Studio opens in the browser. Empty canvas, timeline at the bottom, compositions on the left. That's our workspace. Now let's fill it. Animation 1, social media bar. First up, the social media bar. Every YouTuber puts their socials on screen. This component takes an array of platforms and staggers them in cleanly. The props are simple. You pass in a list of platforms and handles, choose a position, and apply your brand colors. Here we're using the AI TLDR palette: deep navy background, gold icons, and a blue glow. The animation trick is just one idea. We map over the array and offset each spring animation by the index. The first item starts immediately. The second waits a few frames. The third waits a little longer. Same concept as staggering a title and subtitle, but now it scales to any number of items. Icons scale up, text slides in beside them. Clean, branded, and fully reusable. Animation 2, chapter title card. Next is the chapter title card. This is the divider between sections. Step 1, Part 2, Install dependencies. You see these everywhere. The key difference here is the spring configuration. We use a lower damping value, which creates overshoot. The text slams past its final position and bounces back slightly. Compare that to a lower third, which uses higher damping for a gentle glide. One number completely changes the personality of the animation. The accent line is a simple trick, scaling horizontally from 0 to full width with the transform origin on the left. It draws itself as the title lands. Simple animation, big visual payoff. Animation 3, animated quote card. Next up, the animated quote card. Perfect for testimonials, pull quotes, or expert opinions. Anytime words need weight. The quote is split into lines of about 6 to 8 words. Each line animates in with a stagger, giving every line a moment to land before the next one appears. Same stagger pattern as before, just a wider delay so it feels more deliberate. The vertical accent bar on the left scales down from the top, drawing itself into place. The oversized quotation mark scales in with a bouncy spring to frame the text. The author appears last, using a very high damping value, so it fades in smoothly with no bounce. That's the difference between a snappy UI motion and a calm reveal. The spring config sets the mood. Animation 4, notification toast. Next is the notification toast. This is your pro tip, don't forget, or warning pop-up. It slides into a corner, stays on screen briefly, then leaves. Positioning is simple. Top right means top and right offsets. Bottom left means bottom and left. The slide direction follows the position automatically. The icon staggers in a few frames after the container. It's subtle, but it keeps the animation from feeling robotic. Change the color and icon, and you get a completely different mood. Blue for info, amber for warning, green for success. One component, many uses. Animation 5, day counter. Now the big one, the day counter. 100 days of coding. I tried this for 30 days. The number starts fast, then slows down as it approaches the target. This goes beyond basic interpolation. We interpolate progress from 0 to 1, then apply a cubic ease out. That ease out is everything. The early numbers fly by. Days 1 through 50 feel instant. The last 10 days slow down and tick in one by one. That deceleration turns a number into a story. You can control how dramatic it feels by adjusting the curve. Increase the power for more slowdown. Lower it for a gentler effect. When it lands, we add a spring pulse and glow, the same visual language we've used across the toolkit. That's 5 more animations added to the toolkit. The social media bar, the chapter title card, the animated quote card, the notification toast, and the day counter. Combined with the first set, we're now at 13 animations. In the next video, we'll add a few more to round out the collection, and then package everything into a Claude code skill, so you can generate any of these with a single command. If this was useful, hit like so more creators can find it. Subscribe to follow the full Remotion series. We're building a complete reusable animation toolkit from scratch. And if you want the finished components, presets, and the Claude code skill when it drops, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.